What if I told you one tiny tip at the top of your plant controls everything? Its height, its shape, even how bushy it gets. Ever wonder why one tomato turns into a jungle while another looks like a stick? Today you'll understand apical dominance in plain English and use it to grow stronger, fuller, more productive plants. And once you see it, you won't unsee it. Let's strip this down simple. Apical dominance is the plant's natural tendency to grow upward from a main tip called the apical bud. That top bud sends signals down the plant saying, hey, I'm in charge, nobody else grow too much, so side branches stay small or slow down. That's why many plants grow tall before they grow wide. Think of it like a boss at work. If the boss is present, everyone waits for instructions. Remove the boss and everyone starts doing their own thing. That's apical dominance. Quick question for you. Have you ever had a plant grow tall and skinny? That's apical dominance in action. Inside the plant, a hormone called auxin is produced in the top bud. Auxin flows downward and suppresses side growth. Less auxin at the sides means less branching. When you cut off the top, auxin drops. Side buds activate. The plant becomes bushier. Simple takeaway. Top intact equals taller plant. Top removed equals wider, bushier plant. This isn't gardening magic. It's plant biology you can control. Watch the apex push skyward while lower nodes wait. Name the parts, and you'll see the pattern in every plant. Once you recognize apical dominance, you'll know exactly where to intervene. Tomatoes, peppers, herbs, shrubs, the same rule shows up everywhere. Remove the boss, release the team. Simple, powerful, repeatable. Upward growth happens by default. Outward growth happens when you let side buds lead. Your job is to decide who's in charge, the tip or the sides. And with one small cut at the right time, you make that call. If you ignore apical dominance, your plants decide their own shape. Sometimes that works, often it doesn't. Leggy tomatoes, weak stems, less fruit, poor airflow, crowding invites disease and breaks in the wind. Use apical dominance properly and you get more branches, more flowers, more fruit, stronger structure. You're not just growing plants, you're directing them. Good airflow means faster drying and fewer problems. Directing structure lets you plan spacing, trellising, and harvests. Management turns potential into production. That's the difference between average and impressive gardens. And it all starts with the top bud. Pruning is removing the apical bud or other growth to redirect energy. Step 1. Identify the top growing tip. Step 2. Cut just above a leaf node. Step 3. Let side shoots take over. Always use clean, sharp tools. Clean cuts heal faster and reduce disease. No tearing, no crushing, angle your cut and avoid stubs. Plants don't like bad haircuts either, be honest. Are you more afraid of over-pruning or under-pruning? You don't always need tools. For soft plants, pinch the top. This is called pinching. Best for herbs like basil, young seedlings, and soft stems. Cutting is better for woody plants, thick stems, larger growth. Same goal, different method. Remove the top, release the sides. Practice on fast-growing herbs to build confidence. One pinch today gives you 2 stems tomorrow. Label your test plants to see the difference clearly. Tomatoes. Remove the top early and manage suckers. Result, bushier plants, more fruit clusters. Peppers. Pinch early to encourage branching. Result, stronger plant, more peppers. Herbs. Regular pinching keeps them full and productive. No tall, stringy growth. Shrubs. Selective pruning shapes structure long-term. If you do nothing, plants grow how they want. If you intervene, they grow how you want. Intervention multiplies usable flowering sites. Not every plant should be forced to branch. Avoid heavy pruning on single-stem crops like corn, or plants meant to grow tall naturally, and skip pruning on stressed or unhealthy plants. Fix water, light, and nutrients first, then shape it. Good gardening is timing, not just action. Best time to prune: early growth stage, active season, morning hours. Avoid late season heavy cuts, extreme heat, right before frost. Early cuts equal better structure. Late cuts equal wasted energy. Think ahead, not just in the moment. Apical dominance isn't just about pruning, it's how plants balance up versus out. Understand it, and you'll water smarter, space better, prune with purpose. You stop guessing and start guiding. Takeaways: the top bud controls growth through apical dominance. Removing the top encourages side branches. Pruning turns tall plants into fuller, more productive ones. Timing and plant type matter as much as the cut. You are shaping the plant, not just growing it. Start simple. Pinch the top of a basil or young pepper this week and watch what happens. Bonus: light, regular pruning wins long term. Thumbs up if this helped you grow smarter.